What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CD Outdoors. Today we're up here at the creek doing a little summertime trout fishing. I really don't like to trout fish this time of year. We've been in a hot spell, and today's we finally had a cool day. These fish might still be a little bit stressed, but without further ado, let's get into it. See how many we catch.
I see it, ain't it?
Right. Yeah, more fishing. Little trout. There's an old rainbow. Been a grind today. Covering lots of water. But got the skunk off the board. Pretty little rainbow. Look at that. Gorgeous. Yeah. Solid brook. Oh, mother. Man. There he is. There he is. Don't you pop off this time. There's an old brook trout. That's a pretty brook. Look at that. Gotta love these old pretty brooks up here. That's a pretty old brook trout. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful brook. A solid one. Gorgeous brook trout up here. A pretty brook. Heck yeah, guys. It's a pretty brook. Look at that. That's beauty. Beautiful. Sometimes you just gotta put your work in, and it might seem discouraging at first, but you put your work in and time in, you can find some beauties like that. Look at that. That is a gorgeous brook trout. Look at that beauty. Let's let you go. There he is. There's a little rainbow. There's number 4. We're finally starting to pick up on the numbers a little bit. It's a pretty rainbow. Heck yeah, look at that. Pretty little rainbow. Heck yeah. Well, throw them out. Throw the kids out. Hey, there's a brown trout. Guess what? Trout slam for the night. Heck yeah. A pretty brown trout. Better chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Betty, 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 Betty. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Show for the camera. Look at that. That's a pretty brown trout. Look at the brown. Look at the brown trout. Look at the brown trout. All right. See you later. Ooh, that was big. That was big. Oh, that's big. Big rainbow. Big rainbow. Big rainbow. Big rainbow. Big rainbow. Big rainbow. Come here. Big rainbow. Big rainbow. Big rainbow. Citation rainbow. You come over here. You come over here. You come over here. Ooh, almost. Take my time with them. Take my time with them. In the net. It's a big rainbow, guys. Look at that. That's, well, probably not quite citation, but he's a good one. Massive rainbow, guys. Look at that. Boom! Still got it. Well, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. It's pretty slow from the beginning. We ended up, we had to put some time in, put some effort in. And one of the things, you come out here, don't get discouraged, put some time, put some effort in, and we ended the day on the big one. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace!